Good morning, students. Are you understanding everything which I am telling you in the EVS? Your warm welcome in the EVS class. If you have any type of problem, then you can ask from me during your school hours. Do you know your school hours from 8 to 3? At any time you can 8 to 2. You can ask any problem. Then we have done chapter number 2. The chapter number 2 is my family. We have learned so many things related to our family. First thing what we have learned, that is my family. First, family. A family is a group of people related together. They share their happiness, they share their sorrow, they share their ideas, feelings, everything they share. That is called the family. The next thing is types of family. First we have discussed nuclear family, then we have discussed joint family, then we have discussed single parent family. Nuclear family, the family in which parents and children live together. The next thing, that is joint family. Joint family in which parents, grandparents, children, and if uncle and aunts are there, their cousins also, then also. That is called the joint family. They may be there in the same house or they may not be there in the same house. The next we have done surname. The last name, or you can say the second name of any people, that is called the surname. The next thing we have learned taking care, sharing and caring. Now this is the last question which I am going to tell you, that is the hot question. Which type of family do you think is a better family? This is the last question of this chapter. First you will understand what is the meaning of this question. HOTS. HOTS means high order thinking skill. HOTS, high order thinking skill. Now what is the question? HOTS. Which type of family do you think is a I hope you understand the question, what is given in this question and what we have to tell. Again you will listening. Which type of family do you think is a better family? I think joint family is the better family. Why? We have to think why joint family is the better family. Because in joint family where grandparents are living, and nowadays if you have seen that most of the parents, father and mother, they are working, and then children feel the loneliness, and if grandparents are there, then they can give proper time to the children. They can tell them the good things and they can tell them the bad things, and they can tell them what you have to do and what you have not to do. So according to me, a joint family is a good family, because when the peoples live together, they share their feelings. Like if they have any type of problem, then they will share, and if they have any type of happiness, then also they can share. Because when only 2-3 people are there, then that's so much, you cannot say enjoyment is not there as much as peoples are there in a family. Because when you have seen in any marriage, so many peoples are gathered together, then we enjoyed a lot. And if only few peoples are there, then a lot of enjoyment is not there, because we interact with each other. We share our ideas with them and they share their ideas with us, and we can discuss with them that what you are doing if you find this type of problem, what you will do if you will find this type of problem. So we can discuss each and everything. And when your parents are not there at home, then your grandparents take care of you. They can tell you the bedtime stories, moral stories you can say, and they take you in the park also, and they can play with you also, and they can help you in your homework also if your father and mother they are not getting the time. So according to me, so many points are there, they help us that the joint family is the better family. Now we are going to start the answer. According to me, a joint family is a better family, because children get the love and care from other family members also, from other family members also. Again you will repeat with me. Which type of family do you think is a better family? According to me, a joint family, speak with me. According to me, a joint family is a better family, because children get the love and care from other family members also. Not only love and care, they understand so many things. If you have seen, when we are playing game in a team, then we learn so many things. We learn the cooperation also, we learn team spirit also, we learn helping nature also, we learn how we have to adjust with the different situation also. Because when you are alone, then you feel that everything is related to you, but if so many people are there in the family, then you think that everyone is important and I have to give respect to every person and every member, and I have to love every member, I help every member. Like it, we can say that joint family is the better family. In joint family, grandparents also live, and grandparents they love the children very much other than parents also, because they are the father of the parents. So they love the grandchildren very much. They give the proper time and they tell them everything what is right when parents are not there at home, and they take them to the park in the evening, because your parents are feeling tired, they cannot take you in the park daily, but your grandparents are living at home, they can take you in the park. And when you will go in the park, you will see so much fresh air is there, and you can do some activities also, and you can see the nature also. And when you will see the nature, you will feel everything in the nature, then you forget every problem, everything, if it is there in your mind. I hope you understand this thing, this concept. According to me, it is there, joint family is the better family. in comparison to the single parent family and the nuclear family. I hope you have understand this concept, and if you like that joint family, then okay, and if you think that other, then it is your choice, but it is your wish that which type of family do you think it is better. According to me, joint family. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now your homework is you have to learn the thoughts, and you will write down the question, you can say sentences why joint family is better. 4 or 5, how many you will get, you will write down. Thank you.